Okay, so hi everyone. Today I'm gonna be doing a unboxing review on this Hoover Powerdash pet carpet cleaner. I need one really bad. I have 3 dogs and they are getting like potty trained, so it's a mess. But yeah, I bought this at Walmart for $78, and then I just bought a little cleaner. So, yeah, I bought this because it was the cheapest, but I do want to see how this works. I mean, I just bought this. I just needed one because, like, my carpet is getting, like, messed up by the dogs. So, yeah, I just want to do, like, a review and, like, just to see how good it'll work. So, let me open it, I guess. Oh my gosh, so I did not need to buy that. I was thinking, I was like, dang, do they have, I was like, did they provide this? I didn't see it anywhere in the box. Maybe it did have it. I just wasn't like looking. But, well, I guess we'll just use this and save that big one for later. Let's read the instructions again. Okay, so now that I've assembled it, it did not take long at all. It was pretty easy. I guess I'll show y'all how my floor looks, and I will start to clean the carpet. So right now, this is how the floor looks. It looks pretty bad, I know. I've tried to clean it up with just like cleaners and stuff, but you know, they still need to get potty trained. So I guess I'll try this out. Yeah. That turns it on and off. This is the recliner. Okay, wait. This is the gray one, or white one is to recline it. This one turns it on. This handle releases the liquid and all that stuff. This is a lot. Oh, I was using so much water. Oh my gosh. Okay, I was using a lot of the solution, but I really didn't need to. But this kind of went down really quick, and I just noticed that it did not have like a little handle to like. Some carpet cleaners have the little handle to where you can get in like little small spaces. It does not have that, and I'm almost done here. Almost done, Duke. So. Okay, this is the final result. I think it did its job, right? It did a pretty decent job. It got up most of, it seems like all of it. Got up most of what was on the floor. Like, it did really freaking good. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it did really good. Like, really good. Still damp, you know, still gotta let it dry. But, I mean, for $78, I would say that that's pretty good. Oh, also, okay, so, this is how it looks. I don't know. This is like the dirty water tank or whatever. I don't want to, like, show y'all all of that. I mean, that's pretty nasty. But yeah, this is a dirty water tank, and I just have to clean it out and all that stuff. It did what it's supposed to do. I mean, hey, I'm not mad at it at all. I'll just have to clean up the rest of the room, and I'll be on my way. So I hope this kind of helped somebody. I'm not the best at giving reviews, but I hope this helps somebody. I feel like it's a really good investment. Did its job. And I will definitely be using it a lot more. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.